So this is what you don't want going back into any of the units. This is byproduct from the inside of a galvanized pipe being deteriorated from high efficiency hot water heaters. Will rust away and damage these pipes. They disintegrate them and they burn up. 4 inch is the code. So this new relining job will get all 4-inch pipe, which is code right here. We will upgrade on the hot water heater and take this pipe out. The high efficiency units will burn up on the inside. If they're not drafting properly, they will overheat. 4-inch on the hot water heater off the bell housing should always meet 4-inch on the pipe. When you undersize a 3-inch pipe, they burn up, and this back debris and all galvanized soot will go back down to your burners. Make them run hot, you'll void warranty and crack the plates on the inside. Video 1.